Hi, welcome back. So in this session, I would like to show you how to calculate the distance between two given coordinates, 2 points, point 1 and point 2. Let's take the coordinates of point 1 as x1, y1 and coordinates of point 2 as x2, y2. So we'll write the program. So we'll include the header files std.h and math.h. So math.h is required to calculate the distance. So what are the variables required? So variables required are x1, y1 and x2, y2. And we know how to calculate the distance between 2 points. So distance between 2 points is calculated as we have seen, distance is calculated as square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So for that we require the variables x1, y1 and y1, y2 and distance. So square root, the values will be returning in the form of float. So that's why we'll declare all the variables as float. Now we'll give a message to the user. So let's give a message to the user saying that enter the coordinates of point 1. So we'll use printf statement. So information that's being displayed within double quote is display as it is on the output screen. So enter the coordinates of point 1. By saying that, you'll enter coordinates of x1 and y1. So scanf, scan those two values, them in x1 and y1 respectively. Similarly, we'll ask the user to enter the coordinates of point 2. We'll display that using a message, using a printf. Enter the coordinates of point 2. Then scan the values entered by the user, coordinates of point 2, and store them in x2 and y2 as a second coordinate. Scanf, percentage of, store them in and x2, address of y2. Then how to calculate the distance? So distance is calculated as d is equal to square root. So the function used to calculate the square root is sqrt. So that's declared in a math.h header file. So that's why we have included math.h. So square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. So we do not have that kind of symbol to have a square. So that's why we'll multiply x2 minus x1 into x2 minus x1, which will give it x2 minus x1 whole square. Plus y2 minus y1 will give y2 minus y1 into y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1, here y2 minus y1. So which yields y2 minus y1 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square. So square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now the distance is calculated. Display the distance using printf statement. Printf. So just display the message. As you can see, I have just taken an example. So coordinates of point 1 are 0, 0. So display the message. The straight line distance between 2 points is percentage of. Display the distance value in printf. So I've just taken an example so as to calculate the distance between 2 points, 0, 0 and 3, 4. 3 minus 0 whole square plus 4 minus 0 whole square. So 3 minus 0 is 3. 3 minus 0 is 3. So that's 9 into 16 plus 16, 25. Square root of 25 is 5. So let's execute the program. Execute. Compile the program. Let's see whether we have any errors and warning. No errors and warnings. Execute. Run. So we'll give you two coordinates. Enter the coordinates of point 1, 0, 0. Enter the coordinates of point 2, 3, 4. So distance between 2 points is 5.00. Thank you. scanf